I respect you enough not to disrespect you. Those are some of the prison rules that I was raised with, some of the street rules that I was raised with, some of the life principle rules that I live by, that I respect others. And I won't come to another man's house and tell him how to run his house. I won't show up at another man's job and tell him how to do his job. I won't tell a man what he should do with his money or with his time, because that's the rule of respect. You know, if I'm asked how to do this or that, I give my opinion, I give my advice. But it's not my place to tell another man what they should do with their channel, with their page, with their conversation, with their blogs, with their family. It's not my right to do any of that, you know? So I think if most people, most males, I see now, they don't fully understand what respect is. A lot of males who have went to prison, a lot of males who have served time and who have been in the military and who have been in certain organizations, they get what respect means and they willing to give it. Like, we willing to say, excuse me, my bad. We got no problem with if we're in the wrong, correcting ourselves. My bad, man. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, no problem, my guy. It's all good. But I'm not going to step on your shoe and walk past you and look at you like you did something to me when I did something to you. You know, someone told me, hey, man, I like what you do, but you shouldn't make your page about racism. Hey, as long as I'm a black male in America, I'm going to talk about racism because racism is real to me. Do I talk about it all the time? No, but I talk about it when it affects me or when I go through something, because this is my personal blog. So if I go through something personally, I'm going to express it. If you don't like that, don't follow me. You would not hurt my feelings because I'm a black man, point blank, period. I'm not trying to be white. I'm not trying to be nobody culture. I'm not trying to fit in. I'm not trying to say things so everybody will like me. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. I'm just going to speak the truth. And one thing I knew about the truth, even if you don't like the truth, even if you hate the truth is still the truth. And later you'll come back and realize, like, damn, I got to change it up. This is the truth. It's what it is. So I don't try to live a lie. I don't try to live a fairy tale. I don't try to be no one that I'm not. I'm me. I'm Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of HogOn Welding. I am the black welding instructor, and I'm going to speak it how I live, and as I face it, and as I experience it, because I want my black brothers to know what we go through is real out here. We can survive it. We can achieve things. We can make it, but it is real. So don't cut no light off. Act like this stuff is not real that we facing out here. Act like you can just go around all nonchalantly and you might not get hung somewhere, because this shit is real out here. So my people, my brothers, my sisters need to know the truth. Hold on.